If you're transitioning from AutoCAD to Inventor, or if you're collaborating in a mixed 2D and 3D workflow, you'll want to know how to reuse 2D AutoCAD geometry to create 3D models in Autodesk Inventor. To get started, import your DWG file into Inventor as an associative underlay. Choose the geometry you want to use from AutoCAD by controlling layers and cropping out what you don't need. Now that you have the 2D geometry in Inventor, you can build the 3D model. First, create a new sketch, then project in the 2D AutoCAD geometry. This creates associative links back to the original DWG, so whenever a change is made to the AutoCAD source file, it will update inside Inventor. Use extrude tools to create solids from the sketches you just built, and then build parameters into the model that reference the DWG file by dimensioning the AutoCAD layout, which creates new parametric relationships. In just a few minutes, you have a completed 3D model created from your 2D drawing. After you add the part to an assembly and place constraints, you might catch errors in the design. In this case, there's an error with the dimensions. This is an easy fix thanks to the associativity between AutoCAD and Inventor. Just edit the drawing in AutoCAD and see the model update in your assembly. Repurposing your existing 2D data to create 3D models is just one of the ways in which AutoCAD and Inventor work better together.